you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm a dog.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So this video is short. It's only like 8 minutes long. For the people that like the long videos, I apologize in advance, but for the people who like the short videos, hey, this is for you. So I just had some clips that I didn't want to go to waste, and I was using a tripod that I have, so I thought it would be cool to just do this as a mini Sunday reset. So I didn't really do too much. Parts of the house were kind of already clean, just did some tidying up, but I want to get a video up for you guys this Sunday. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Tell me you love right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back and shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body be the color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love and your life a Cupid. Hate to be a wreck.
No time, no.
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.